Hi everyone, Letty here. Today I'm going to share with you a not too shabby shop. This is a double crafty haul, so I have two separate hauls. I'm going to show you all in one video, and I am going to show you some project shares at the end. So welcome back everyone. I have a haul from the Not Too Shabby shop. I actually have a double haul. I'll list our website link and a discount code down in the description box below so you can save a little money. I bought a ton of items. I got 11 of their exclusive 6x6 paper pads. Some were rebuys. I just couldn't pass it up. You always get a freebie treat, so I got a lollipop. I'm going to go through my paper pads first. I am obsessed with paper. You know this. This is the April 2023 Paper Pad Club. You get two different pads. This is the first one that comes in the set. It's gorgeous. It really is gorgeous. So right now, the only way you can get this one's called Butterfly Wings. The second one is called Blooms of Spring. The only way you can get these two pads is if you buy them together. And so this is part of the subscription, the Paper Pad Club. You can get it under the subscription section of the Not Too Shabby shop. So those are what you get in that set. I also got Spring Tulips. This is another 6x6. This was part of the paper pad subscription for last month. What I've seen is that if there are any paper pads clubs that are remaining at the end of the month, Jamie will break them up into single paper pads, and that's when I bought that one. This one's called Sweet Bees. This is another 6x6. This is one of my favorites right now. I think it's just so pretty. I love the yellows and the mints and the black and the white. I just love it. It's so just super cute, and it has the most adorable ephemera pack. This is called Pampered Pooch. This is a 6x6. This was a like a release that Jamie had done, and so I believe the release, the whole kit is still available, but I purchased just the paper pad and the ephemera pack, which I'll show you in just a bit. This one's called A Sweet Split. This is one of the newer ones that has been released in their shop. It is really cute. So you've got bananas and just gummy bears and just a ton of items to make like sundaes. It's so cute. And then this was a repeat. So this one's Sunflower Bees. This was a collection that came out last year, and I picked up another of that paper pad, and then I picked up two of these watermelon ones. This one's called It's a Fresh Summer. This was part of a box of the month that sold out in like 4 hours last year. It was crazy. They're so cute though. Watermelon Summer. I was so excited when I saw that Jamie had brought it back into the shop. So as soon as I saw that it was available, I went ahead and I picked up another set because it is so cute. Then I did pick up the Meet Me ones. So I got Meet Me in Wonderland. This is a 6x6. This one's Alice in Wonderland themed. I really like that one. And then I also picked up another one of the Meet Me at the Theater. So I had received that box of the month a few months ago, and I pretty much went through my paper, so I wanted to do some backfills. I also have the Grow Happy Thoughts. This is a stamp and die set of the month. You've seen I already did 2 videos so far. I'll have one more coming up. I picked up some ephemera packs. This one's the Pampered Pooch ephemera pack. So that one coordinates perfectly with that little Pampered Pooch 6x6 paper pad. It's so stinking cute. And then this one's called My Little Cafe. And so this one has a ton of pieces in it. And it coordinates relatively well with the Sweet Split, the banana split one. I thought it just worked really well. And then Sweet Bees, this is literally my absolute favorite ephemera pack right now at the Not Too Shabby shop. I just ordered another set of this too. Like, it's so cute. And then the Meet Me in Wonderland. So this one coordinates with that paper pad. The ephemera is so large. It's so big. You get so many pieces. It's an awesome find. So those were the Not Too Shabby items that I got in my haul. I also did pick up some Doodlebug, mostly repeat and backfill things. And then I also got a couple of designer stamps. So I got the Hello stamp by the Greeting Farm. This one I think sold out almost immediately. It was in the shop one day and it was out of the shop the next. It is so cute. I like all the different fonts of the word hello. So cute. And then Encouraging Word Sentiments by Catherine Pooler. I really like the text or the font that Catherine Pooler uses for theirs. I really like those. I picked up the most recent Lawn Fawn releases. They're not super new right now, but they were the most recent ones. I have this year 13. So every so often they put out a new year, which is like a birthday year. That's the one I got. And then Wheelie Great Day. So this one is like more of like a carnival kind of theme. And I really love carnival and circus theme things. I thought this was so fun. You can make tickets. Of course, it wouldn't be a carnival without a Ferris wheel. Look at that. And this die, I got the coordinating die set. It cuts out all the little bits and pieces of that Ferris wheel. So that was fun. And then raffle tickets. These are a die set. I thought that would be super cute to just die cut a whole bunch of tickets out of just random papers. And then Coaster Critters Flip Flop. So you get a couple of more little coordinating stamps. And I did get the matching dies. And then the second set I got was So Very Mice. I thought this was just too cute. And if I ever want to do some crafty kind of cards, I thought this would be perfect for those ladies that sew. How You Been buttons add-on. So this one, I really like the little buttons. I don't have very many buttons in my stash, so that would be perfect to add as a stamp set. And then I did pick up some doodle bugs. This one was a freebie. It's the Spring Garden Shape Sprinkles. This one's Happy Go Lucky Doodle Pop. That was a freebie. And then Mini Monsters. This one's a doodle pop. Jamie does have these doodle pops in her shop as well. These are the mini paper doilies. This one's called Limeade. She does carry a whole line of those. And then Over the Rainbow, I picked up some backfill because I really loved crafting with this set. These are the odds and ends, so like the ephemera pieces. And it comes with 128 pieces. I totally messed up. I did 2 orders and I purchased it twice. That's okay. And then I also picked up the stickers. So I have the puffy stickers or the puffy icon stickers. I am obsessed with those. And then we have the mini icon stickers. So these are like the flat cardstock stickers, and you get 2 sheets of that one. And then I picked up another paper pad. So again, this is called Over the Rainbow. I just really like the spring, the bright colors. I thought it was perfect for this time of year. So I had already pretty much used up what I had purchased. So I wanted to get it back, which is why I purchased this one again. So Over the Rainbow. I had recently showcased the Farmers Market paper pad in one of my Doodlebug collab participating videos I think like a Sunday ago. And so this one's called Farmers Market. I went ahead and bought another pad of this one, the 6x6, because I was already running very low on this paper and I wanted to have it in my stash for fall. So this one's called Fun at the Park. This one's a stamp set, and it's sort of like their Disney themed collection by Doodlebug, and I wanted that stamp set. So this was a double haul from the Not Too Shabby shop. Again, I will have a website link and a discount code that you can use to save a little money down in the description box below. Let's see the projects I made. So the first round or projects or the cards I made were using the Sweet Bees ephemera pack and the paper pad, as well as the greeting form stamp set that I got, the Hello. So these were the 3 items I used. I am obsessed with this collection. Look how cute these are. They were so easy. I didn't do anything fancy here. It's the ephemera and this paper that is really shining. I did add in these honeybee little embellishments that I had also purchased at the Not Too Shabby shop. This was several months ago though. But I just used some scraps on the second card. Again, it's that ephemera that just really makes the card. So then I paired the Sweet Split 6x6 paper pad. That's one of the newer ones. And I paired it with the little cafe ephemera pieces, and I made 2 cards. So fun. Look at this one. You get a super large piece of ephemera there that goes perfect at the bottom of the card. I added a tag that said hello. And then on this one, I popped up this cute girl with the hello sentiment, hello sweetie. I added a tray with, carrying a cupcake and a milkshake. So fun. And then Beautiful Wings. This was the paper pad from the Paper Pad Club for the month, and it makes just gorgeous cards or gorgeous projects. It's so pretty. And then this one's Pampered Pooch, and I thought this was so fun to play with. I did make 1 card. I'm going to show it to you right here. So fun. And I just did like a basic little card. I layered up. I popped up that first ephemera, and then I had popped up her little bow right on top of that. So fun. Added some of those little jemmies, just a lot of sparkle and shine there. Then at the beginning of the month, I had made some additional cards. So this was a set where I used the Stamp and Die set of the month. I've already showed that. If I can, I'll link that video at the end or down below. And then I also continued with that Stamp and Die set, and then brought in the Sunflower Bees paper pad, which is that blue one. And I went ahead and made some cards. And so I really hope that JB brings this one back, because that one's currently sold out. And then I also, again, about a week or so ago, I used up some of that Farmers Market collection to make some cards. And so I wanted to just take a moment to show you, and I will try to link that video at the end as well for you, so you can check out how I use that paper pad to make those cards. So again, that was a Not Too Shabby shop. This was a double haul video plus some project shares. I will link a website link and a discount code down in the description box below, so you can get access to the Not Too Shabby shop and save a little money. Thanks for visiting, everyone. I hope you subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram. Here are a couple videos I think you might enjoy, and happy crafting.